guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys because I have a review of a subscription box and it's a new one for me. So as you can see, this video is for the Journal Junk box, which is a monthly subscription box, and it's like stationery items. I mean, I just love getting these type of items, and they were so sweet to reach out to me and gave me a box to review for you guys. So this video is not sponsored, but I did get the items for free to review for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to look at these products because this is so new to me. So I am really excited to see what's in it. Did I say I'm excited? Because I am excited. I'm very excited. So the packaging itself is adorable. Like, just how adorable is just the packaging. This is how it came in the mail, so I can't even imagine what's inside. Before we get started, let me just tell you a little bit about the Journal Junk box. So again, like I said, it's new to me, so I will leave all the information in the description below so you can go and check it out as well. So usually they have stationery items, journals, pens, you know, all kinds of beautiful things. So the bundle option starts at $22.99 a month, and they ship out your box every 28th of the month, and I think by the 3rd or the 5th you should receive it. You're not going to be able to get what I got because it's already been sent out, so you'll be getting whatever the new month is. And a lot of it can be valued over 75 bucks. So I am very excited to see what it is. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. Again, all of the information will be in my description. Also, after seeing all this, if you are interested in getting one of your own, your first month will be 15% off if you use the code SANUKLOVE. I will leave everything in my description, so go check it out. I don't get anything from it. It's just 15% off for you guys. So yeah, again, I'm excited. This is so pretty. I'm excited. Okay, this is what the box looks like, which is very cute. I have seen this on their website, that this is like the design that they have. So I think that is basically to show me what the theme of this box is. Cute. All right. So I got 2 cards. This is the August box, and I do believe that the September box, I know we are in October, but they did give me an option to get the August box or the September box, and the August box was lemons and the September was galaxy. I decided to go with lemons, even though both themes are so cute. I figured, you know what, lemons it is. So this is the August box, and it says when life gives you lemons, and these are all the things that are in the box and how much they cost. And also they have their general card, the Journal Junk box, and it just says thank you, and then they have all of their social media information. Again, I will leave all of that in the description, but yeah, that's how that looks. Alright, so I'm already ready to open, but it does have a little lemon sticker on it. I just love the little cute details. Okay, so it seems like I have 9 items, I believe. Okay, ooh, that's good. 9 items. All right. The first thing I see is this Face Story Everyday Lemon face mask. It's a brightening mask, and it has no harsh chemicals. Yeah, you know me, if you know my channel, I love doing spa type of things, and I will do one soon for the channel. But yeah, I love using face masks. So the mask is actually $2.50, but it is a free gift with your box. So next are these paper clips. Look at that detail over here. Oh my gosh, it is a lemon and a strawberry paper clips. I've never seen paper clips like this. They are so cute. The Tutti Frutti paper clip set is 10 bucks. Wow. All right, so this is the pencil set. Pencil kit is $15, and it comes in this really pretty lemon pencil case. So that's what it looks like. I just love this case. I feel like I can put my brushes in there, my makeup brushes, because it's really long, so it can hold them better. These are the 3 pencils. How pretty are these colors? And you have an eraser. Oh, we got some more pens. This is cute. And it comes in this little sachet. Is it a sachet? Is that what it's called? The 2 lemon pen set, these are 8 bucks. And lately I've been journaling a lot. So I look for like the cute pens to journal, because it just brightens up my day a little bit more, just to have like non-boring things around me. So yeah, this is really nice. So this is more like a marker pen, like a marker, kind of like a ink. This one, ooh, I like this. Okay, so that is the other one, and this one is very like marker, like I love it. It's so thin. It's great for drawing too. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. The next thing I have is this zesty margarita cocktail mix. All right, so I am ready to try this out. This one is $5.70. I'm interested to see how it's gonna taste because I do like lemonade, so this is gonna be nice. It comes with a little mixer. That is so cute. Like I said, like these details are just so nice. As you can see, I love detail with my eyeliner. If you like this makeup, I don't know if I already told you, but I will leave a link to it up here. It was me trying to mimic somebody else's makeup, but also the foundation is me trying a hack. So if you're interested in that as well, I'll leave a link to it up here. But back to the cuteness. Like I said, I love detail. I love the little things that they do. These are great for gifts too. Like if you want to gift somebody, you can put all of these together and give it to someone who loves stationery stuff or journaling stuff or just like to have a good time. And to go along with that, we have this little wine glass. It is a stemless wine glass and it has a little top, almost like a sippy cup. And like, that's cute. I will definitely be using this for sure. And I can just put my margarita mix in here. It's perfect. So the next thing I have are something that's so useful, and they are cards. I love it when I get cards. These are Lemon Love note cards, and there's a set of 3 and they're $7. Just a really pretty thank you lemon card, and there's nothing inside, so you can write your own note. This is also another thank you card, and you can put your own message inside. And the other one is also the same as the other thank you card. So I really do appreciate it when I get cards because I don't have to go out and buy them, and they always come in handy. I mean, I know I've been saying everything is so cute and pretty and adorable, and so far, so good. I love them. But the next item just looks so pretty. These are notebooks. Yeah, 3 of them. 3 notebooks. This is like just a cute gift. I don't wanna unwrap this. This is so pretty. Okay, they are $11.50. So that's what the first one looks like. And the inside is just like lined paper. This reminds me a lot of like the books in India, like the notebooks in India. I don't know why. I don't know, because like the lines are closer together. Not that I really went to school in India, but for some reason it's really reminding me of that. So if you are Indian and you do agree, let me know. Am I like making this stuff up? But yeah, I don't know if it's because the lines are closer together and just the way it feels. But yeah, it has these little, what are they called? Scallop, is it? Am I saying it wrong? Anyways, they have these little designs on top, which I think is such a cute detail. Again, they are 60 pages. This is the first page. Adorable. The design is just so pretty. That's one. This is the second one, which is the design that was in the first one, and just so cute. And this is the last one. It's so pretty. It's the same design from the first one. So that is such a cute, like very cute set. Look at that. All right, so the last item in here is another journal, which is $12.50. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels almost like canvas material. That's what that feels like. So like ooh, my nails go really nice with this. And it has like a little cute floral design on the bottom. Like again, I said details, and then on the top you can write like today's date right here. And yeah, and the inside has this kind of writing with it. I mean, if the lemon box is this cute, I can't even imagine what the galaxy one is. So these are all staying together. I can put all my ideas in here, ideas for YouTube. If you don't journal, try it. Try writing down how your day was or what you're thankful for, because that stuff really does help. Like if I just sit down and write about my day and like like just evaluate my day. And also in the morning when I wake up, if I just write down what I'm grateful for, it actually helps me to have a better day. It actually helps me to like just think of the day a little differently than I normally would. But yeah, these are all the items that I got, and I'm very, very happy with them. They're all so cute. Again, I love the lemon theme. I mean, this is definitely a surprise to me because I've never gotten a box from them before. So if you guys want to try out the journal junk box for yourself, like I said before, your first box can be 15% off if you type in code SANUKLOVE. All of that information will be in my description. I don't get anything out of it. This is just for you guys to just have that 15% off and just give it a try. But yeah, so far I'm happy with it, and I'm so grateful to the Journal Junk Box for sending this to me. And yeah, so that is the end of my video. Leave me a comment letting me know which item you guys like the most, and if you guys do journal, let me know. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!